Chengdu Fengke Precision Tool Company Limited, located in the city of Wood Industrial Park in Chengdu, China. Fengke Tool specialized in the R&D production and import-export trading of tungsten carbide cutting tools over 20 years. Committed to be manufacturing more intelligently, Fengke Tool possesses over 100 advanced equipment, develops more than 50 different standard products and hundreds of customized items. Excellence derives wholesome administration system and strict inspection measure. Fengke Tool has invested project management system and information management system to make information sharing accurate and fast, so as to improve management efficiency. The advanced measuring instruments have guaranteed an outstanding quality of products for appearance, dimension, mechanical performance function, precision, wear resistance and hardness of new products R&D in the factory. Talented experts and creative professionals who have over 20 years experience in this field joined our R&D department. Fengke Tool always boasts of its capable teams, specializing respectively in business production and after-sales service. Through systematic quality control, Fengke Tool has established the whole process quality control from incoming inspection process control to product delivery. The annual product capacity amount is more than 10 million to 20 million. The products sell well in over 100 countries and regions, all enjoying good reputation in both domestic and overseas markets. In the 20,000 square meter plant, more than 100 employees of Fengke Tool are weaving together the dream of leading the industry and forcing the world-class brand. Our main products: reversible knives, planer plates, tungsten carbide scrapers and blades, drill bits, tungsten carbide rotary plates, carbide birds, CNC carbide inserts, various customized products. Fengke Tool provides solutions to meet the needs of customers as the company's target. Fengke always sticks to the business principle of original aspiration, that is paying for bulk, be honest, respects others, and pursues high quality. Looking forward to becoming the bright girl of the carbide cutting tool industry.